Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing. Okay, I'm gonna lower my volume. So somebody did comment for me to lower my volume because they could barely hear me. But today we're gonna be doing Boeing versus Airbus, which is better. And we're gonna go to parts to make this a little more quicker. We're gonna be doing. So last video around the end of the video, I did say that the next video would be the Airbus A320 versus the Boeing 737. And yeah, I'm still going to do it. So first, we're going to be doing the A320 first. And I'm just going to do a statement line for each, even though it doesn't really matter. So this is the A320. Looks pretty nice. Inside is actually pretty cool. But it's not a lot of buttons and stuff. But I do like that they added that, because then instead of fly-by-wire, because Boeing doesn't have fly-by-wire. Interior, it's kind of mid though, so I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Other than that, this plane is pretty cool. The exterior, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Solid. Now let's just start our pushback and fly to Tokyo. It's gonna be a little hard to make the thumbnail because it's hard to take 2 pictures at the same time of people and stuff. Whatever. Doing it for the sake of people's entertainment. And I do have free cam. That's why I'm like this. Oh my god. And I'm also. Let's see how easy they are to button. So they know that this place hardest to button, which I really don't believe. That's better. So let's just go the runway. And I'm not gonna go all the way over there. I'm trying to make it real quick. It's the moon type. Let's do like the deep over. I do like the detail though for the American flag at the back. Yeah, orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 did a good job for that. And to stop the plane. Engine off. Oh wait, no, I'm not even aligned. We'll align while going speed. Oh. Yeah, fingers. I feel like I'm in a party. Okay, let's do this to stop. Let's see how good of a takeoff we can do. That was good. Let's go to the left. Let's get to 1,000 feet up. We're kind of like too much fun. And we're gonna have to lose. I'm gonna pull back down the nose. Don't need it that much. Let's release the flap safe. There's no things turns in the engine. I don't know what's called. No. I can already see Tokyo. Let's see if we can actually bubble this thing. Oh, we got 2 gas. That's cool. Because from the inside, this looks like this. I feel like only the A350 and the 787. It's a D-throttle. Not too much spark, I can already see the regular lights. This is like a 4-minute in PTFS, but IRL, it'll take you more than 12 hours. Well, not really 12 hours. It's a good day, give you like 5 hours. Look at the board that in the split second, I think. Yeah, in the third. And then now, flaps 2. I'll do it about I don't know. Not 90 feet there. Oh gosh, we're too low. We're too low to the ground. We might actually it'll work perfect. Let's display our landing gear for land. I'm gonna lower my throttle. I'm going to the right. Let's see, let's button this. If it's crosswind, it's gonna be also for the 737. I can. I think it's crosswind. Cause we just aligned with the runway. We literally just. Don't be crosswind, please. Coming in for landings. Oh, that's a nice stall. I don't want to happen.
100.
Okay, we don't want to do an early touchdown, but
50. 40. 30. 20. 10. Retard.
I just did. That's the thing. I'm doing it. That was a long float. Late touchdown, but pretty good landing, I guess. And that is the A320. If you guys think that was pretty smooth, then comment down below smooth. Or at least butter. What time is it real quick? 7:50. But guys, that is the A320. And because I buttered it, interior was kind of mid. So that was a 6 and then the 8. So overall, that one out of 20, it was a 14. So that means it needs a little improvement. Now we're gonna go into the Delta 737. I just did that real fast. I did this yesterday, but I didn't. Oh wow! I think the 737 might win this though, but it might not. The interior is obvious, like exterior, pretty cool. Interior though, but actually, I'll give the A320 a bonus because I did butter land it and it was a really nice flight. Okay. So then I actually will give the A320 about a 17 out of 20. Okay, so the interior is probably a 9 just because this is bare. And then the exterior, I don't really, well, it's basically the same as it used to be, but the wheels are better. The wheels are better. Tail looks better. You know. So I'll give the exterior also an 8. They both look pretty good. And I actually don't really like the engine. They look more like block. Okay, now let's begin our pushback and let's go ahead back to touchdown. I think the nose just like isn't. I don't know. If you guys know what I mean, I can barely hear it now. I also kind of do like that little accent of blue in the engine. Like, it looks exciting. Turn to the left, blue throttle, and taxi. ATP online for where? Us. Oh, do that USS. Gotta drop the motor. That will work. Okay. Let's stop our engines. We didn't align yet, but now we are. Let's go! I'm gonna put the flaps at 2. But then when I start to left off, I'm gonna put them to 3. Okay. I'm gonna put on a camera lock real quick. Just to see what it actually is. Let's get off. That was a great takeoff. But we were going to the left too. It doesn't really know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna lie though. The wheels look like roller curves sometimes reminds me of like the A350. And an iPad is kind of like that. Gear out. I'm gonna lower though because it's not too much. I'm gonna get to a little altitude because it's just a short flight. I can already see that. What time is it? Do. is just a general transfer. General lock. General lock is technically lock. Turbulence. Overall, it was pretty interesting. We're coming in from there. I like how this has like 5 different flash places. Okay, I'm gonna deploy my landing gear and landing. I did this yesterday. I could do it again. Hopefully it's not constantly. So the Airbus A320 was basically a 17. And so this is already 17. I don't know. I actually don't know how fast. Just because it has a lot of detail doesn't mean that. Also, the A320 did go a little faster. Comment down below. It's only faster. There's a little firebird there. We don't want to repeat the incident what happened at Haneda Airport, JAL 516. We don't want to replicate that. Anyway, we're coming in with a little. I think I might do a late touchdown, but we are much more higher in sky than before, because like we were literally like drifting over. Gosh, the runway is right there. Wait, let me just come in and see. So we're not over the other window. I want to touch down early. Yeah.
400. 300.
Now let's touch down.
200. 100.
Where's the butter?
50. 40. 30. 20.
Oh, that was a long float. And that was not butter. That was not butter. That was hard. Okay, but that landing wasn't pretty good. And other than that, I'm gonna give it maybe like a 16. I don't know. Actually, I'll give it a 17. But that's not a tie. Because there is one thing I did like about the A320. That I had a little. Well, I didn't like that. I actually had a little less fuel in it, but I didn't like it because I stopped midway as well. But if I compare them, I still feel like the Boeing one. So, yeah, Boeing 737 wins. Yes, I'm stopping it right off. But the style of the A320, if it got like a revamp for the A320 and got like updated, then I think I would like it better. Because just because it got updated, if this didn't get updated yet, I think I would still go with the A320. I don't know. What would you guys pick? And with that said, guys, I'm gonna end the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.